For FirstMold, 2025 was a year of more projects, higher expectations, and bigger challenges. This year, our project volume grew by about 30%, with work ranging from early prototypes to full production across automotive, medical, and industrial applications. As projects became more complex, we tightened internal coordination to make sure everything moved smoothly from DFM review through to final inspection. But growth also brings pressure, and it pushed us to improve how we operate. In 2025, we upgraded our operations by moving into a new manufacturing hub and bringing our Mexico facility online, improving workflow, strengthening coordination between engineering and quality, and supporting more complex projects closer to our North American partners. Most of our projects in 2025 came from customers in North America, Europe, and Asia, with additional projects from developing markets. Throughout the year, we also took part in several professional industry exhibitions, connecting face-to-face, discussing real manufacturing challenges, and listening closely to what customers need next. Behind every mold and every part is a growing team that shows up every day and takes responsibility seriously. Thank you for trusting FirstMold in 2025. In 2026, we're ready to take on your boldest ideas. What's your vision for the coming year? Let's keep moving forward together.